Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Assassin's Creed DX12 errors, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to device search bar. Go ahead and type in device manager. Once the device manager is open, you can go ahead and look for display adapters and then right click on your GPU and then hit update driver. You can either do search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. Either or works, it doesn't really matter. I recommend doing search automatically for drivers. That is one way to update drivers. Now the second method you guys can try doing is going directly to the GeForce Experience app if you have NVIDIA, and if you are on AMD, then you can go ahead and just go to the AMD equivalent app, or you can go into Google and just type in AMD latest drivers and then install it from there. But moving on from the app itself, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to drivers and then check for updates. If there is an update, go ahead and install it, but if there isn't, then it should say you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver and you guys are good to go. Now the third method you guys can do is simply just restart your PC, and after updating the drivers, and you guys should be good to go. You can always go ahead and go over to Steam, right click on the game, hit properties and go over to installed files and hit verify integrity of game files, and that should also have fixed the issue. Now once you do all of these methods, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.